Easy baked snack recipes for kids who doesn't like to eat eggs. First up, banana egg muffins. Take 2 ripe bananas, mash them, whisk in eggs and stir in the oats. Pour this batter into muffin cups. Bake them at 180 degrees centigrade for about 15 minutes. Soft, naturally sweet, protein-rich and easy to grab muffins are ready. Second, chocolate egg brownies. Take the ingredients listed on the screen, mix all of them until smooth. Bake at 175°C for about 20 minutes. Kids taste chocolate but not the eggs in this recipe and still get protein and nutrients. Try these chocolate egg brownies and let me know in the comments. Next up, mini pancake muffins. Take some flour and baking powder in a bowl and in a separate bowl whisk some eggs with milk and sugar. Pour this into the flour mix and make the batter. You can add blueberries, small chocolate chips or diced apple to your batter. Pour this mix into greased mini muffin tins and bake at 180 degrees centigrade for 12 to 15 minutes. Fun to eat and easy to pack in lunch boxes. Number 4. Carrot loaf. Mix the wet and dry ingredients separately and then combine. Both dry and wet ingredients are listed on the screen. Add grated carrot to your batter and bake at 175°C for 30 to 35 minutes. Moist, flavorful and full of hidden nutrition loaf is ready. You can add carrot puree to the batter instead of grating it. Number 5. Egg cookies. Take the ingredients listed on the screen and cream, butter and sugar first and then add egg and vanilla, then the flour. Shape cookies and bake at 175°C for about 10 to 12 minutes. This is a crispy, sweet and a subtle way to sneak in eggs. And that's all. The egg cookies are ready. Try these recipes and let me know how your kids liked it. Thanks for watching.